Write a short note on miscarriage under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The term miscarriage is defined under Section 3J of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The definition is important because the Act provides certain maternity benefits and leave to women who suffer a miscarriage. According to Section 3J of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, miscarriage means the expulsion of the contents of a pregnant uterus at any time before or during the 26th week of pregnancy. However, the definition specifically excludes a miscarriage that is caused by an act punishable under criminal law. The purpose of this provision is to provide legal protection and benefits to women who suffer a natural or lawful miscarriage and require rest and medical care. Earlier, Section 312 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 provides punishment for voluntarily causing a woman to miscarry unless it was done in good faith to save her life. The section also stated that a woman causing her own miscarriage was covered by the provision. Today, such matters are governed under the new criminal law and applicable medical termination laws. Importance of the definition. The definition of miscarriage is important because a woman who suffers a miscarriage becomes entitled to certain benefits under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, including leave and other protections provided by law. Illustration. Suppose a woman employee suffers a miscarriage during the 20th week of pregnancy due to medical reasons. Such a case falls within the definition of miscarriage under Section 3J of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 and she may claim the benefits available under the Act. Conclusion. Thus, miscarriage under Section 3J of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 means the expulsion of the contents of a pregnant uterus before or during the 26th week of pregnancy, excluding miscarriages caused by acts punishable under law.